Let me share with you a MindStudio agent that I'm going to be adding to MindStudio templates. And as a reminder for what are MindStudio templates, MindStudio released these new templates, and they are available once you log into the MindStudio platform. Look for this section called templates, and you will find them right here in different sections. What I am showing you now, and what I will demo for you today, is the Strategic Competitor Research Consultant agent. And that is what I'm displaying right here. What this does is that you run this through the browser extension, and it will understand, it will read what content are you displaying on that web page, and then generate different topic ideas based on that content that you could do a competitive research analysis on. And what it uses, which is the heavy lifter in this agent, is this deep research block. This is a package workflow that anyone in MindStudio, in any workspace, can use to do deep research on a given topic. Then it also then generates different prompts. This is a prompt for charts, generates these charts using this sub workflow here. Depending on what type of chart it is, it will generate a bar, pie, or line chart, and then generate a report, and then uses a generate asset block to display this report in a really very nice looking interface. Also, the topics that from which are generated or suggested are also in a custom user interface, which is an improvement upon the initial agent that I developed for this months ago. So now let me show you how this works. Suppose that I wanted to come over here and do a competitive analysis on Tesla. And here you see my Chrome browser extension. I have all kinds of agents already set up that I use. And I need to find the one for strategic analysis, this one right here. And then I just click on this button, and it starts generating what these topics suggestions are. And this is a custom user interface that I designed for this agent. And here it is suggesting different topics. And these are actually very interesting topics that I might do on a strategic competitor report, but I have a specific topic in mind that I want to do. So I'm going to do something else. And then it shows this other interface where I can provide what topic do I want to do research about. And I have one right here. Elon Musk has said that Optimus robotics will become Tesla's primary revenue driver. How will this occur, and why is this relevant? How will Optimus robotics be affected by both American and Chinese humanoid robotics competitors? And it will start doing the research. So I will click on this button, and this takes about 10 to 15 minutes for this to run through, especially because the deep research block does a lot of deep research. So I'm going to pause this video until it completes the report. So now this report has been generated, and I can adjust the size of this window to display as much or as little of it in this pane, but it looks really good in this size. And so here we see this report about what I requested. Tesla Optimus humanoid robot market analysis and strategic outlook provides an executive summary of what this report is about and the current state of the Tesla's Optimus program, production status for 2025, and the market analysis. So you can see it's a very detailed report, and it's in this very nice looking custom user interface that matches the same look and feel as the user input block did. And the technical and market challenges that Tesla has with their Optimus, and strategic implications for Tesla. So here has recommendations for both Tesla investors and then a conclusion. And then if you want to look more closely at these charts, you can come over here and click on them and view them in a larger size. And this unfortunately doesn't adjust it very well. And then what's really awesome about this report is I can share this with anyone else, with either publicly or unlisted. And I'm actually going to share this report in the LinkedIn comment once I post this onto LinkedIn so that anyone can look at this report. But even better is anyone can run this themselves by coming to templates and locating the strategic competitor research analysis report right here, and then make a copy of it for themselves. So I hope that you found this video helpful and useful. Thank you for watching.